Hey guys, it's me Heather, and I'm here to do a really fun review for you. Sorry about the chihuahua as usual. Last night when I got home I had a bunch of PR packages outside, and one of them included the new stuff from Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne, and that is what I'm wearing today. And of course I'll show you everything and tell you the names in case you're curious. But I was super excited, so last night I just took it out, swatched everything. Of course I had to play with it. And then today I was like, it's the perfect time. We're going out tonight. And I said, I'm going to use this palette and the highlighter and the lipstick and all that. So this is what it looks like. This is called Urban Decay, the Kaleidoscope Dream Eyeshadow Palette. And if you're not familiar with Kristen Leanne, you just have to type her into YouTube, because she is just like basically a living, breathing land mermaid. Like, she's got the pretty hair. I mean, she's me and her, we relate. So yeah, this is what the palette looks like outside of the package. And then this is it. You got a big mirror here, as you can see, and then this is the palette itself. And you get a little brush, which I'm going to take out here for a second just because I know it's going to fall. And I'm wearing, obviously, if you can't tell, I'm wearing this entire palette. And I thought, all these beautiful colors, I could be boring and pick one or two shades. But I tried to use as many possible colors that I could get onto my eyes so I could show you a look that I created. So, on my crease, I'm wearing this orange here, which is called Tajin. T-A-J-I-N. I have no idea. But it's the orange. It's the only orange in there. And then on my lid, I put TRM and LCW, which are these two blues here. So I did the dark blue first all over the lid, smoked to the crease, and then I did the LCW here on the inner, like just kind of the middle. It's almost like a spotlight, but just right there in the middle. And I'm going to swatch these for you when I'm done talking about them. And of course there will always be photos inserted, just because I never know how great my swatches show up, but when I take pictures I can tell how good they are, so I'll insert those. But then on my inner corner I'm wearing this green here, and it is called Lime Time. And underneath my eye I'm wearing a Spitfire, which is this color here. And the most beautiful color in this whole palette, and I hope Urban Decay or Urban Decay and Leanne come out with this as a single shadow, because this is the most beautiful. I've got to swatch it for you now. It's the Leo. This is Leo and Brixton, but I'm using Leo. Can you see? I mean, it is what highlighters, like those rainbow highlighters, all that. It's what they're going for, and this is it. Like, this is beautiful, and that's what I have just right on the center of my eye. It gives it that iridescent greeny blue purple, like, it's beautiful. And it's kind of changed, and then again I will insert photos if you can't see that, but I don't know that upon editing. So it's just beautiful, and I don't think it shows up in the palette that way, because I didn't really notice it until I swatched it, how beautiful it was. But it will change any eye look. Like, this would be beautiful on the inner rim, beautiful as a highlighter. I hope they come out with a bigger size, because I guarantee you that will be, I will hit pan on that. Alright, also on my face, again, Kaleidoscope palette. I'm trying to find somewhere to sit it so it doesn't fall. Okay. Also on my face is the Kristen Leanne Urban Decay Beauty Beam Highlighting Palette. Look at this packaging. If I created a makeup brand, this is the color my packaging would be. And then you get all these beautiful shades. And I'm wearing the one in the middle. Let me see if they have names. No, it's just a highlight palette. But I'm wearing this one here in the middle. Let's see if I can put it next to the eyeshadow, if you can see that. And again, I'll insert photos for you guys. But look how beautiful they are. And that's what I have on my face. It's the only highlight I have. And you know I'm a collector of highlighters. I'm a highlight connoisseur. This is I'm gonna hit pan. Like that Tarte trio that I have that was like 22 bucks. I hit pan on that. This will be taking its place. Like, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Like, this would be, any of these would be beautiful highlighters. Like, that's what I have on my brow bone, my Cupid's bow, everywhere. But I don't know if I just haven't seen reviews on this yet, or if, you know, people who got sent it haven't reviewed it, or if I'm just an idiot, which is probably the case. But this is beautiful. So I'm surprised there's not more chat about that. Then also I'm wearing the Urban Decay, obviously this whole thing is Urban Decay, Kristen Leanne Vice lipstick in the shade Cloud 9, and it's a comfort matte. And look at this packaging. And it is what's on my lips, and it's a comfort matte, so it's like, it's matte, but it's not drying, it's not irritating. I already have dry lips, so I was a little afraid how bad it was going to look on my dried lips. I put on a chapstick, like just a normal chapstick before I put it on, just in case. But I love this color. This is such a me color. Between purples and pinks, this is it. I mean, you can obviously see it on me, but there's a closer swatch for you. And then there's the actual shade. Turn it up a little here for you. I am obsessed with this packaging as well. And you know I love to keep boxes for photos for the blog, so I will be keeping all this in its pretty packaging. I received several other items, but I just wanted to feature some of them right now. I will be having a PR haul video coming up, and this will be in there, obviously, amongst some other things. But I'm loving this eyeshadow, and again, didn't even know this was released, but it is a mustard colored eyeshadow, and it's called SGH, and that is just what it looks like. I love it. I don't know, like, I think she's in my head. Like, this is something I would totally wear. I will so rock it. It would be gorgeous crease color. I don't know. I love me some mustard, and I love me a mustard yellow eyeshadow. So that's what it looks like, and then again, that is what it looks like there. I'm so glad she didn't just do like boring everyday colors. She does have another palette, which I did not receive, that has some more wearable colors, like everyday colors, but that is not me, so I'm so excited that I got this palette, because that is me. This is 100% me. And then I also received this liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Pulse, and this is also a me color. You're like, Heather, you're too dang pale to be wearing that. I don't care. I'm gonna wear it. We'll see who the lucky people are that get to be with me whenever I wear it out in public. But that is Pulse, and I think it's a great color. I love it. And that is what it looks like in the container. And then it's got the cute little Kristen Leanne on the side. Enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the look that I have created. If you'd like a tutorial, let me know. I'm always happy to do that for you. But I just wanted to share it with you. I'm so excited that I have it. So I just wanted to kind of do a little mini review and show you the look I created. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, you know, all that jazz. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.